Morning YouTube, welcome back to our channel. Today Cieran's met me in St David's, the smallest city in the UK, and we thought we'd walk down to Cieran Beach, I think that's how you say it, I don't know, and come along the Pembrokeshire Coast path a little bit to St Non's Chapel before going back up into St David's and exploring St David's. It's only about maybe a 2-mile walk, but I'm excited to see what we can find. We're in the beautiful St Bride's Bay. I mean, look at that. And so this is the ruins of St Non's Chapel. Apparently St Non gave birth to St David in the 6th century here, and this is where it happened.
You get a really weird feeling standing in here, I don't know.
Really?
Yeah. It's really cool.
Let's go in. This is really cool. This is really cool.
It is awesome. So how old is it?
6th century. So this is 500s. When St Non gave birth to St David, patron saint of Wales.
You can just sense the amount of history in here.
Mm.
If these walls could talk, eh?
If these walls could talk.
Oh, I'm impressed.
I'm very impressed.
I'm glad you can actually walk in it as well.
It feels kind of weird, doesn't it? It feels like you are in the presence of history.
It's so weird. It's very rare that you often get to stand in something like this. So I assume the doorway would have been here.
I'm guessing so.
Oh, imagine this thing fully built, looking out to that.
There's certainly worse places to build a church.
A chapel, yeah.
So this is St Non's Well, said to have sprung up during a thunderstorm when St David was born. Its waters are reputed to cure infirmities. Let's check it out. It's very tiny. It's quite cute. So we're going to drink from the well to cure our infirmities. How does it taste?
Holy. I feel
Good.
like a new man. Tom's about to drink from the well. Get his honest opinion. I've just had some, it's very fresh. How do you feel? It's good water, isn't it? Good aqua.
It's really good. Really
good little background there.
Mm. Very tasty. So I'm guessing that must be St Non.
Yeah. It'd be a safe assumption, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Highly recommend anyone come out to St David's and walk a bit of the Thames coastal path, because some of the views I've got today are absolutely unparalleled to what I've seen in the UK, to be honest. So highly recommend it.
Yeah. This is the joy of coastal walking.
Got hit by a storm.
The unpredictability of it all.
While I was flying a drone as well.
So the cathedral is the main reason why St David's is considered a city, but it is the smallest city in the UK, It's got a population of about 1,800, and it looks a lot more like a coastal town. It's got a few sort of cute shops, it's got a fat face. St David's may be the smallest city in the UK by population and urban area, but in terms of authority boundary, it's the second smallest in the UK. The smallest being the City of London, which seems absolutely crazy. But yeah, it's really, really cute. They've got their Christmas decorations up, their Christmas lights. It's a beautiful, beautiful coastal town. City, oops. So there we are. That was a really short walk from Cevai Beach to St Non's Chapel and then back to St David's, and now we're back at the car park. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one.